Have you ever noticed that the moment you start doing too well, people suddenly change? Your boss stops smiling at you. Your friend starts competing with you. Your partner gets colder, quieter. You didn't do anything wrong. You just started glowing a little too bright. Welcome to one of the cruelest truths of human psychology. When your light shines too much, people don't clap, they flinch. We grow up believing that working harder, being smarter, or achieving more will make people respect us. But here's the dark truth. Success doesn't always attract admiration. It attracts insecurity. When you do better than someone who's supposed to lead, guide, or love you, you make them question their own worth. And most people would rather get rid of you than face that reflection. Let's talk about work. You're the employee who solves problems, stays late, never complains, but the moment you start getting noticed, your manager suddenly becomes distant. They start micromanaging you. They forget to include you in meetings, not because you did anything wrong, but because your competence reminded them how replaceable they are. You didn't threaten their job. You threatened their ego. So here's the rule. If you're smarter than your boss, don't show it. Make them feel like they taught you everything you know. Power doesn't reward talent, it rewards comfort. Whoever makes the powerful feel safe survives longer. It happens in relationships too. You start improving yourself, working out, reading more, becoming more confident, and instead of support, you get arguments. Suddenly your growth becomes you've changed. But what they really mean is, you've started outgrowing me. When you evolve faster than the people around you, they'll try to slow you down, not because they hate you, but because they're afraid you'll leave. People don't always want the best version of you. They want the version that makes them feel in control. Ever had a friend who was cool until you started winning? You got a better job, better car, better attention, and now they call you arrogant. The sad part? It's not jealousy in the obvious sense. It's status panic. In every group, there's an unspoken ranking. When you climb up, someone feels pushed down. The more you shine, the more you remind others of the shadows they're standing in. So they distance themselves or quietly hope you fail. That's why most successful people end up with fewer friends. Not because they changed, but because the people around them couldn't handle the new light. Social media made this worse. You post something positive, and the same people who scroll through gossip accounts suddenly skip your story. Why? Because your wins make their silence louder. Online, people love underdogs, but they secretly root against anyone who starts rising too high. That's why influencers pretend to be relatable. They don't want to be loved for their success. They want to be safe from people's envy. Let's go deeper. Every human being has two emotional needs: to feel valued and to feel superior. When someone else's glow threatens those feelings, the brain interprets it as danger. It's not rational, it's instinct. The insecure mind doesn't say, "Wow, they're amazing." It says, "If they're amazing, what does that make me?" That's why true intelligence in power isn't about showing off. It's about knowing when to dim your light until the right moment. Pretend to need advice. Give credit publicly. Let others think they lead. You're not submitting. You're surviving. Here's the dark truth no one tells you. Being good isn't enough. Being smart about your goodness is. If you're too bright, people won't see your light. They'll just squint and turn away. Real power isn't in proving you're better. It's in making others believe they still matter. So learn this balance. Shine quietly. Move strategically. The world rewards those who play invisible until the timing is perfect. Stay underestimated. Stay unseen. That's where real control begins. If you felt exposed by this video, good. That means you've lived it. Subscribe for more truths that most people aren't ready to hear.